We're talking tonight about an incident on Interstate 81. It seems like we hear about them often. We're back in the virtual law center with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Molly Clark, who is here for Ed. Thank you for being here.
Thanks for having us.
Eddie is actually working very hard at a trial, so hopefully he'll be back in a week or two.
Well, we know he doesn't miss the chance to be on TV, so it has to be serious.
It's big.
It's big.
He loves the TV.
Here's our question tonight, and we'll go to John in Berwick. John says, I got a flat tire on 81. I was pulled over, waiting for the tow truck to arrive. A car flew by and hit me and then took off. I have a separated shoulder. I need surgery. So John has injuries, apparently, but what does he do given that the car, it's kind of like a hit and run here?
Yeah, it sounds that way. First thing you need to do is, and I hope you already did this, John, is let the police know. You need to get a police report right away because that'll document at least somewhat the fact that you had a hit and run and that you're not just making the story up, because sometimes insurance companies are going to want to think that that's exactly what you're doing. So hopefully you called the police and there's a report that says it was a hit and run. And it does sound like you're going to have a claim, being that you have the shoulder injury and you're going to need surgery. You're going to want somebody to take care of you. So what you can do in that situation is call your own insurance company, make a claim, let them know what happened, and you'll have what's called uninsured motorist benefits, hopefully. And if you do have those, then you can go after those and make a claim for your uninsured motorist benefits. It's not that difficult of a thing to do. What do you think, Greg?
No, and you know, the thing is, when you talk about hopefully have uninsured motorists, we talk about it all the time. It's very important to know what your coverages are. Underinsured motorist coverage provisions are important, because if you get hit by somebody with no insurance or a phantom vehicle like Molly described, that's an uninsured claim. And then people with underinsured means if you get hit with somebody with lower limits or your injuries are bigger than their policy, that's when that underinsured kicks in. Very good coverage to have. It's worth every penny, and it's actually relatively cheap on your policy when you look at the pricing.
And of course, if you need legal advice or direction, you could always contact the office or check out Fellerman Ciarimboli online. Results matter tonight with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Molly Clark. Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
All right, 2 ways to get a question on the Law on You through PAHomepage.com or the Law on You hotline.